In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix StumbleGuys disconnected problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, as you can see, I'm the first website of support of StumbleGuys. So, you can see this troubleshooting page, and they are saying that the problem is related to your devs and not to the game. So, first of all, if you have an Android, you can close the game first and restart your Wi-Fi. So, after you need to go to your mobile settings, and now you need to go to about your phone and system updates. So, you need to clear the cache on your devs by going to settings, apps, and clear cache. So, make sure that your internet connection is stable by using Wi-Fi. You need to relaunch the game, so we will fix that problem on Android. If you are an iOS user, you can make this process right here. You can first close the app. Now you need to restart your Wi-Fi router. So you need to restart your devs now. So you need to update your dev software. And the next step is check your internet connection and relaunch the app. So until the moment I record this video, that's the only way to do that. So I hope I helped you on how to fix StumbleGuys disconnected problem. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.